Hello dear students, today we are going to do the practice test series number 2 of the NAS based questions of science. So taking up the very first question, Manish is removing unwanted plants from their field with his family. What are these plants called? So children, the undesirable plants that grow up with the main crop in the field, they are called the weeds, and the option 3 is the right answer. And here I will add that these weeds, they are effective competitors with the crops. For what? For the things like space, light, nutrients and water. So they compete with the main crop in the field, with a result in the reduction in the quantity and quality of crop yield. So option 3, weeds, is the right answer. This is the plants that are the unwanted plants that are removed. Then question 2, the farmers of Aman's village are still dependent upon the traditional methods of irrigation. Traditional means old methods, old one. Aman told them to use modern methods of irrigation which will save water. Name one such method suggested by Aman. So here option 2, that is sprinklers. Question 3, identify the microorganism given in the picture. Children, you must have seen the slides of this organism by using the microscope. This is answer 1, amoeba. Option 1, amoeba. Then question 4, who discovered penicillin? Question number 2, option 2, Alexander Fleming. Then question 5, Rita is going on school tour. She will do mountaineering there. She will have to take dash ropes with her because they are very strong. So here what we need is the ropes made up of the strongest material, and we all know nylon. Option 2 is the right answer. It is the strongest material to be used as a rope. Then question 6, Gaurav put an iron nail in a beaker containing copper sulfate solution. Color of solution changed from blue to green. Which type of reaction is this? So option 1, displacement reaction. Question 7, Baljit told his father that there is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Which is this metal? So you must have seen a thermometer and a transparent liquid in it, and that is the metal mercury, which is found at liquid state at room temperature, in a liquid state at room temperature. So option 3, mercury, is the right answer. Then question 8, the teacher told the class that petroleum product bitumen is used to make. Bitumen, you must have seen the black colored material that is used to make what? Roads. Option 3 is the right answer. Question 9, the teacher asked the class in which states of India are the wells of crude oil found. So the crude oil through which the petroleum, diesel and other things, these are extracted, they are found in the coastal regions, and here Gujarat, Assam, Bombay High, they are the coastal regions. So option 1 is the right answer. Question 10, Seema asked Reena that which is the best fuel for kitchen in present time. So we all are using one fuel that is packed in the as a gas in the red cylinders. It's present in your kitchen, and that is option 1, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Option 11, give name of two endemic species of plants found in Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. The option here is, first option is Sol and Teak, second is Mango and Jamun, third is Silver Ferns and Arjun. All of these are correct. So option 4, all of these are is the right answer. Then question 12, which of the following book keeps the record of endangered species? So the endangered species is the species which is at a risk of extinction, or it will perish soon. So endangered species, all such species are recorded in the book called Red Data Book. Option 3 is the right answer. Question 13, green color of leaves is due to the presence of pigment. You have done this in the earlier classes also. Option 1, chlorophyll, is the right answer. Then question 14, teacher has explained about the metamorphosis in the class today. In which organism this process takes place? Metamorphosis involves sudden and abrupt changes in the body structure of the animal. So here there is cell growth, and then the cell, they are differentiated into various structures. So here the in which the larva transforms into an adult. This is called the metamorphosis. Means there is change in the structure, and it is an abrupt change. Means it is a sudden change. So here we see that the option 2, frog, is the right answer, because the metamorphosis in frog involves the hatching of the egg into a tadpole, and then the tadpole changes into an adult stage. So this is the metamorphosis stages in the frog. So question 15, identify the organism in the picture. Here answer option 3 is the right answer, hydra. It is right, hydra with its tentacles. You can see its tentacles on the top of the organism. Then question 16, there are dash pair of chromosomes in human cell. Option 1, 23. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, out of which 22 are autosomal and one pair is the sex chromosome. So in all, 23 chromosomal pairs are there. Then question 17. Gopi and Raghav are pushing each other with same force but in opposite direction. The net resultant force is, so as they are moving, pushing each other with the same force, so that cancels out the effect. So the option 1, that is 0, is the right answer. The resultant force will be 0. Then moving on to question number 18. When Rahul rub two straws with hair and bring close to each other, they repel each other. Which is this force? He brought these two straws, so they repelled. So the type of force here, it is to be mentioned. So answer 4, option 4, electrostatic force. It is the right answer. Then question 19. Kabul and his friends went to see football match. There they saw the shoes of players with spikes. After coming home, he asked his brother about this. Then his brother told that shoes with spikes. Yes. What does the shoes with spikes do? Option Option 1, makes grip stronger on playground. Second, increase friction. Third, prevent slipping. So all these three are correct. So answer option 4, all of the above is the right answer. Then question 21. Question 20. Out of the following, dash is an insulator. Question 1. Option 1, rubber is the right answer. Rubber is an insulator. It doesn't allow current to pass through it, whereas the other three do. Iron and copper are metals, and lemon juice is also, it is a conductor of electricity, so it also allows the current to pass through it. So here the option 1, that is rubber, is the right answer. It doesn't allow, so it is an insulator. Then question 21. Science teacher told students that the process of electroplating of zinc on iron is called. Option 3, galvanization, is the right answer. Question 22. Beyant wants to know that on what scale can the magnitude of earthquake be measured? Which is that scale? So the scale here used to measuring the intensity of earthquake is answer option 4, Richter scale. Then question 23. Name the type of mirror used as a rear view mirror. This you must have seen on the side of your motorcycle, bikes, scooters, Activas, cars. So here, which type of rear view mirror? Rear view mirror is a mirror which is used to see the back traffic at your back. So here answer 3, that is option 3, convex mirror is the right answer. Question 24. Ramesh's uncle is blind from his birth. Ramesh saw his uncle having a book in which there are some embossed dots, and his uncle was reading the book but touching them with his fingers. Ramesh wants to know in which script these books are published. So it is the Braille script. The persons who doesn't have vision or they are blind, they use this script. It's a type of book, big book, and they use it for reading. Question option 2, that is Braille script, is the right answer. Then moving on to question 25. Sandeep's teacher told him that there is a one star in the sky. There is one star in the sky whose position remains same. Which is that star? So the answer is option 2, pole star. So children, here you should know that the position of the pole star remains same or it appears stationary because it is located on such a position that it is on the axis of the earth. So it is located on the axis of earth, so that is why it doesn't show any movement. So we observe that it has the least movement, and we observe that as if it is stationary, so it appears stationary and its position remains the same. So yes, second option, pole star is the right answer. Then question 26. Jay observed that in solar system one planet look different due to its rings. What is the name of that planet? So we know that planet with a ring, the only planet with the rings around it is option 3, Saturn. The Saturn rings, they are not solid. They are made up of large chunks of water, ice, of dust and rocks. So they are of different sizes and they are quite enormous. Then moving on to the next question, question 26, 27. Ganga Action Plan was initiated in which year? Option 4, 1985 is the right answer. Then question 28. Dash is a clean fuel. Option 2, CNG. In Delhi also CNG vehicles ply. Question 29. A pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. What would be its frequency? So here to find the frequency, children, you have to put the formula of finding the frequency, that is number of oscillations divided by the time taken. So here the number of times the pendulum oscillates is 40. That is 40 times it is oscillating. So 40 divided by the time is 4 seconds. 40 divided by 4, that comes out to be 10. So option 1, 10 hertz is the right answer. Then last question 30. Speed of sound dash with increase in temperature. Speed of sound always increases with temperature. So with an increase in temperature, the sound also increases. So option 1 is the right answer for this question. And that's all for this practice test series 2. Hope you got the answers and it's clear to all of you. Keep watching the video, and if you like it, do share and subscribe. Thank you.